For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
For many parents, handling an infant can be an overwhelming experience, especially for first-time parents. In infants and toddlers, the skeletal system is yet to completely strengthen. As such, proper handling is of vital importance. Bonding among parents and children is vital at this stage. Physical touches, cuddles, hugs go a long way in establishing a strong and long-lasting relationship between parents and children. But hugging too tightly or holding the child in an improper way may be detrimental. A new research from Japan states that children who were hugged as opposed to just placed in a parent's arms had a higher sense of calmness. A long-term study of babies who were in the neonatal intensive care unit of an Israeli medical center after birth found that the children who had skin-to-skin care in the form of hugs, pets and kisses had long-term benefits for the child. At the age of 10, these children reported better maternal attachment behavior, reduced maternal anxiety, enhanced child cognitive development, and mother-child reciprocity. This is the major reason why an increasing number of hospitals worldwide are proponents of skin-to-skin childcare practices. Children who are held skin-to-skin by their mothers have stable and normal heart and breathing rates. Holding a child hours after delivery can help stabilize the child's blood sugar levels. Studies have also shown that babies who are held closely by their mothers are more likely to cry lesser than those separated from mothers. It also enhances communication between the child and mother and in the long run strengthens their bond. A team of researchers from Japan's Toho University did a study to compare the difference in the reaction of infants when they were hugged with different intensities. The study monitored the heart rate of the infant and studied the hug intensity by putting pressure sensors on the hands of adults. The study found out that babies felt more calm during a medium pressure hug, while just being held in the arm had a lesser reaction from the child. However, squeezing the child with a tight hug reduced the calming effects and caused distress in the child. It can be said that the sweet spot is somewhere in between, just holding the child and a tight hug. The same study, which was later published in journal Cell, also researched on the effect on an infant when hugged by parents versus strangers. The study found that a medium pressure hug by a parent provided more comfort to the child than a hug by a female stranger. This study further reinforces the fact that hugs and touches have a soothing effect on an infant, especially by the parent.